Hello everyone. Today we are going to learn how to trade futures on the Bybit exchange in a simple and detailed way. Before we start the video, please note that signing up for Bybit is essential. When you sign up, if you enter the referral ID shown on the screen, you will receive a 20% discount on trading fees. You can either enter 18,499 or B5QJY, or use the link in the video description to sign up and receive this benefit. Futures trading involves predicting the price of an asset at a future point in time and profiting by correctly predicting whether the price will rise or fall. With the leverage system, you can invest more money than your initial capital. Let's start by showing how to transfer coins to your futures account. On the screen, click Assets at the top right. On the next screen, click Transfer. This will open a window where you can transfer your coins. Since we need to transfer from your spot wallet to your futures wallet, select Spot to Derivatives. Then choose the coin and the amount you want to transfer. Once you click Confirm, the coins will be transferred from your spot wallet to your futures wallet. Now, let's move on to the Bybit Futures trading screen. On the top menu of Bybit, click on the Derivatives tab and then select USDT Perpetual. Once the next screen appears, you're ready to start trading futures. First, click the list icon at the top left to select the coin you want to trade. By default, you'll begin trading with long or short positions. A long position means you profit when the coin's price goes up, and conversely, you lose money when the price goes down. A short position means you profit when the price goes down, and you lose money when the price goes up. So, if you expect the price to rise, you open a long position, and if you expect the price to fall, you open a short position. Next, you need to decide whether to use cross or isolated margin and set your leverage. Click on Cross at the top right to open the options. Cross means using all of your available USDT as collateral, which has the advantage of a more distant liquidation price. But the risk is that if you are liquidated, you lose all of your capital. Isolated margin allows you to set a specific amount of USDT as collateral, which gives you a closer liquidation price. But the risk is limited to the amount you've invested. Both methods have different styles, so you can choose whichever fits you best. Leverage allows you to trade with more money than your initial capital. With leverage, you can earn or lose more money. Once you've set your leverage, you can choose from 3 types of orders: limit order, market order, or conditional order. A limit order allows you to enter a position at a specific price, while a market order lets you enter the market immediately without waiting for your order to be filled. Bybit charges different fees for limit and market orders. The limit order fee is 0.01%, while the market order fee is 0.06%. Fees are applied when entering the trade, exiting the trade, and also when using leverage. So, be sure to take this into account. The fee calculation is, add the fees when entering and exiting the trade, and then multiply by the leverage. Since Bybit offers better fee rates for limit orders, the first recommend using limit orders. To set a limit order, click Limit and set the price. If you're unsure about the price setting, you can click on the order book on the left to find the price. Using the order book allows for quicker entries while still using a limit order. Then, enter the amount of the coin you want to trade. If you want to set up a take profit or stop loss, click on Take Profit Stop Loss. For a long position, click Buy Long, and for a short position, click Sell Short to set the orders. The Take Profit trigger will automatically close your position when your target profit is reached, and the Stop Loss trigger will automatically close your position if you reach a certain loss level. To close a futures position, go to the bottom of the futures trading screen and click on Close by Market or Close by Limit. This will allow you to close your position using either a limit or market order. If you choose Limit, a new window will appear where you can set the price and amount. And once confirmed, the trade will be closed when it reaches that price. If you choose Market, you only need to set the quantity and confirm to close at the market price. You can also check your futures trading history by going to Order History. Here, you can see the total quantity and the number of completed orders. Today, we learned how to trade futures on Bybit. If you found this video helpful, please make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications. Thank you for watching.